Hey, it's Lou Bartone and my pal Don Doherty. Hi, Don.
Hey Lou, hey everyone in Video Land who's
Yes,
here.
we're here in our beautiful virtual environments. We could be anywhere.
We could be anywhere.
That's right. So we wanted to just pop on briefly and talk to you a little bit about something special we're doing this Saturday, May 23rd. Why does that date sound familiar? I think it's my kid's birthday.
Mm.
I really should know that. So May 23rd is Saturday, and we are doing something very special again, a little bit like we did last month, but kind of a different take. So Don, tell us about, and I'm going to pull up the sales page, but tell us about our 3-hour special intensive workshop coming up.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for it. This Saturday from noon Eastern to 3 p.m. You and I will be facilitating your greatness. Facilitating your greatness. What we believe, and especially, we're seeing now so many people are giving themselves permission to dream bigger, to reevaluate their lives. They are looking at this pandemic and they're looking for the silver lining. And here's the thing that we know about the pandemic. It's transitioning every day. It's changing every day. So we want to look for the good in all of this. And I believe the major good that has resulted from all of this is people are reevaluating their careers and their lives, and they're saying, I want to start feeling better. I want to align with a profession that energizes and inspires me. And I want to do my business in a way that feels good for me. So we heard that loud and clear.
Yeah, a lot of people are transitioning and, like you say, evaluating, reevaluating. I like the word reinvention because I feel like even though I'm sort of doing the same thing I was doing a few months ago, I feel like I've done a bit of reinvention, and frankly, much to your help, thanks to your help and guidance. I was telling folks before, I'm like, what pandemic? I had the biggest April I've ever had. So,
well, it's helped us really focus. Don't you think it's helped us step into who we really are? We are focusers. We need to release the things that are getting in between who we naturally are and the focusing. And you were able to do it. And together, we did it for our own business together. I have another business that is just going through the roof right now as well. And we want to share this knowledge that we've come upon with everyone that we care about.
Yep. And we're calling it, Don came up, we've been using All In for a little while, but I love it. It's All In attitude.
All in.
Lining up everything you've ever wanted and experiencing it all in record time. One of the other interesting things about this period has been we've been like accelerating stuff, So we are calling this All In attitude, the technique for lining up everything you've ever wanted and experiencing it all in record time.
Sounds like a tall order.
It does.
We're behind it 1,000,000%. We believe that when you have clarity of focus, when you have faith in your abilities, when you seek out specialized knowledge, and you line yourself up with other thrivers, the sky's the limit. Yep. The sky's the limit.
It is. We've seen it over and over again. So this is, even though it's a difficult time, it's a time of tremendous opportunity. And Don, tell them a little bit about we're going to do this for 3 hours, so we've broken it out into 3 modules. And look at that, they all begin with A. I love that, alliteration.
Yes, alliteration, all in attitude. Yeah. And join us and discover how to connect to source energy. When I say source energy, yes, you woo-woo people out there like myself, you use the word universe. Some people use their higher self, God, whatever that is for you. And our tribe are people that believe that there's something bigger than themselves that they can tap into for strength and guidance. So if you're one of those people, we're going to facilitate you tapping into that source in a much more powerful way, because we want you to blow through the barriers that keep you from playing big. You're playing small. Every single business owner I have ever spoken to, I've not met one where I haven't been able to show them where they're playing small.
Yep.
Do you agree with me, Lou?
Absolutely. Yeah. So first hour, we'll talk ask and you
Ask,
will.
and you will receive.
Mhm.
And this is universal knowledge. We didn't make this up.
Mhm.
If you look at Think and Grow Rich, that was written 80 years ago. If you look at Abraham Hicks, if you
Mhm.
look at A Course in Miracles, if you look at Wallace, what is his name?
Waddles.
Waddle, I always forget. It's based on getting super clear about what you want, identifying what you want. It's helpful to be in contrast. So during this time, the reason why I believe I'm so much more focused is during this time, I'm seeing what I don't want.
Right.
So contrast, when it is given to us in our lives, is a gift so we can create a vision of what we truly desire. We're going to work with you to give yourself the permission to get specific about that and stay with that every single day.
Right.
Pinpointing your ultimate desires in life and in business.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So part of that is awareness. Part of it is aligning with what works. And the first time we did something similar last month and had a huge amount of people, they loved it. They raved about it. And part of it was because we were putting people into these breakout groups and they could really work and do the exercises and get stuff done. So if anybody's saying, oh, I got to mow the lawn and it's going to be nice.
Oh, it's Memorial Day, whatever, every day is
Memorial Day. Saturdays, what does that even mean anymore? But if you want to take a few hours to spend with us this weekend, it'll be well worth your time. And I know from the last time we did something similar and had almost 100 people on the call, they raved about it and they spent the entire day with us. So we're doing 3 hours this Saturday. It's going to be
all for you, no upselling. This is a day where at the end of the day, you will have a blueprint with your marching orders,
right,
with what you have to move forward with, that's going to take you in record time to the exact desire, the desire that you've launched for yourself, that rocket ship of desire. And
Exactly.
we believe in you.
Yes, we're going to come back on screen and say, hey, hey, hey. So it's Dawn and Lou. It's this weekend. It's totally free. We're not going to barrage you with a bunch of other crap to buy. We're not going to talk about ourselves for 45 minutes.
Nope.
We're going to dive in and get stuff done.
Yay.
Yay. See you there.
Bye-bye.